Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to help you complete your emailing your teacher assignment for this week. You can find it on our overview page, or you can also find it in your module section where it says independent task, email your teacher. But go ahead and click that assignment open. You'll want to read the instructions. So it says here, I am learning how to log into Canvas and email my teacher through Canvas. You know you're successful if you sent an email to your teacher. For us, if you're using your iPad, the inbox is going to be in this bottom right-hand corner. If you're using a computer, it will be on your left panel. So the first step is you're going to want to copy the message below. So you could do this by long pressing and waiting for it to highlight. Make sure you highlight the entire message, starting with Hi Miss Munta and ending with Sincerely Your Name. Then you're going to want to click Copy. I'm going to finish reading the instructions and I'll go through the steps. So then you're going to find your inbox, find the email from Miss Munda with the subject title First Day of School. Click the three dots at the right-hand corner and click Reply. Paste the message in the area that says Compose Message. Fill in the blanks in the main body of the email and then click Send. So I'm going to go to my inbox. I'm going to look for that message from Miss Munda that says First Day of School. And here it is. I know for me it says me because I sent it to myself. So read the message. Also watch this video to help you with your independent day. You can see here there's the reply button if you want to reply. Or if you do the three dots up here, you can click reply. Make sure this is filled out. If this too is blank, make sure you go in and select teachers and select Rachel Munda. And then right here where it says compose message, you'll see the keyboard may pop up and you can click this icon to paste what you've copied, or if you long press hold, paste will pop up. And now that message has popped up, you're going to want to go in and edit all of these places where it says answer, so that you can answer the questions. So for example, at home, the language I speak with my family is, and then you'd fill that in. Okay, so go through. Remember, there is an optional part right here that says, I would like for you to register me for Remind, and my number is. So you would go in here and put in your cell phone number so I can register you for Remind. I won't save your number anywhere. And then at the very bottom, make sure you put in your actual name. And then the last thing would be you would click this send button so that you can send your message to me. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please come to office hours on Wednesdays from 2 to 3. Find the Zoom link on our Canvas page.